What if there were places in the universe where the rules of reality collapse, where time slows, space bends, and nothing, not even light, can escape? These are black holes, the most mysterious and powerful objects in the cosmos. But don't worry, today we'll break them down simply. What they are, how they form, and why they remain one of the biggest puzzles in science. What exactly is a black hole? A black hole is an object with gravity so strong that nothing can escape it. Not light, not matter, not even time itself. Imagine the universe as a giant fabric. Place a small ball on it, and you get a dip. That's like Earth's gravity. Place a heavier ball like the sun, and the dip gets deeper. Now imagine dropping something so heavy, so dense that it doesn't just bend the fabric. It tears right through. That's what a black hole is. Gravity pushed to the absolute extreme. How do black holes form? Most black holes begin with a massive star, much larger than our sun. When such a star runs out of fuel, it can no longer fight the pull of gravity. Its core collapses, crushing all of its matter into an infinitely tiny, dense point called a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the invisible boundary of no return. If you cross it, you're gone forever. There are three main types of black holes. Stellar black holes, a few times the mass of our sun. Intermediate black holes, hundreds to thousands of times heavier. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times the mass of the sun, sitting at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Do black holes really suck everything in? Here's a myth. Black holes don't go around sucking up everything like cosmic vacuum cleaners. If our sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting almost exactly as it does now. We wouldn't get pulled in. We'd just lose sunlight. Black holes only pull you in if you get too close to their event horizon. Otherwise, you can safely orbit one just like you orbit any other star. What happens if you fall in? This is where things get wild. To you, falling into a black hole might feel like an unstoppable dive, but to an outside observer, watching you from far away, you would appear to slow down, and then freeze at the edge of the event horizon, slowly fading out of sight. This happens because time itself slows down near a black hole, a phenomenon called time dilation. And for you, the traveler, you'd experience something terrifying called spaghettification, being stretched thinner and thinner as the difference in gravity between your head and your feet pulls you apart. It's not exactly a pleasant trip. The power of black holes. Black holes don't just sit quietly. Some of them spin at nearly the speed of light, releasing enormous jets of energy that stretch across galaxies. When two black holes collide, they merge into a bigger one. And in the process, they send ripples through space and time called gravitational waves. Scientists actually detected these waves for the first time in 2015, confirming one of Einstein's greatest predictions from 100 years earlier. The mysteries still unsolved. Even with all our knowledge, black holes remain full of mysteries. The information paradox. When something falls into a black hole, does its information disappear forever? That would break the laws of physics. But if it's somehow preserved, where does it go? What's inside the singularity? Is it truly a point of infinite density? Or do the laws of physics just stop working there? Are they gateways? Some theories suggest black holes could connect to other parts of the universe, or even other universes entirely. Right now, these are questions science still can't answer. Why black holes matter? You might wonder, if black holes are so dangerous and mysterious, why do we study them? Because they're not just cosmic monsters. They're also cosmic teachers. Black holes push the limits of physics. They test Einstein's theory of relativity. They help us understand how galaxies form and evolve, and they may hold the keys to uniting gravity with quantum mechanics, the greatest puzzle in science today. In other words, black holes are not just holes in space. They're windows into the deepest truths of the universe. So, to sum it up, black holes are the strangest, most extreme objects in existence. They can bend space, slow time, and challenge everything we know about reality. And yet, despite their mystery, They may be the very things that unlock the secrets of the cosmos. The universe is vast, beautiful, and strange, and black holes remind us just how much we have left to discover. So let me ask you, if you had the chance, would you dare to journey into a black hole, even knowing you'd never come back? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Space Explained simply, because the mysteries of the universe are only just beginning.